Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back. In part 2, we're putting everything together and cooking our Chinese vegetable stew from start to finish. Let's turn those fresh ingredients into a warm, satisfying bowl. That stew feel usually comes from a thickener. The simplest is a cornstarch slurry. Mix cornstarch with cold water first, then pour it in near the end while simmering. In about a minute, the broth turns glossy and lightly thick. Other options work too. Potato starch thickens even faster. Or blend a small scoop of cooked veggies with a little broth, then stir it back in. Tofu and mushrooms also help with texture. They give a hearty bite that feels meaty without adding meat. Easy Chinese vegetable stew recipe, 1 pot, flexible veggies, ready in about 30 minutes. This is an easy Chinese vegetable stew you can repeat all winter. It's forgiving. It's a true one-pot dinner. It scales well for leftovers. Ingredients: flexible, use what you have. Aromatics and base include neutral oil, garlic, ginger, and scallions with whites and greens separated. Broth and seasoning include vegetable or mushroom broth, light soy sauce, rice vinegar, white pepper, and toasted sesame oil to finish. Vegetables and add-ins include mixed firm vegetables like carrot, daikon, or napa cabbage ribs. Medium vegetables like mushrooms, bok choy stems, or green beans. Quick vegetables like bok choy leaves, spinach, or snow peas. Tofu, cubed, firm or medium firm. The thickener is cornstarch mixed with cold water. Serving ideas include spooning over rice or adding cooked noodles to the bowl. For storage, cool fast and refrigerate. It keeps well for quick lunches. Best vegetables for Chinese-style stew: what holds up and what cooks fast. If you want a stew that stays bright, group vegetables by cook time and add them in order. Firm vegetables that go in first include carrot, daikon, broccoli stems and napa cabbage ribs. Medium vegetables include bok choy stems, mushrooms and green beans. Quick vegetables added last include leafy greens, bok choy leaves and snow peas. 2 small tips that matter. Cut firm veggies thinner than you think so they cook faster and stay tender. Add stems before leaves so greens don't turn dull and soft. Add-ins that work well include tofu, glass noodles, edamame or even cooked chickpeas. Step-by-step cooking order, so everything is tender, not soggy. Prep first by slicing vegetables by cook time, cubing tofu, and mixing the cornstarch slurry. Warm oil in a pot over medium heat. Add garlic, ginger, and scallion whites and stir for 30 to 60 seconds. Pour in broth. Stir in soy sauce, vinegar, and white pepper. Add firm vegetables and bring to a gentle simmer. Simmer until carrots are forked tender. Add medium vegetables and tofu and simmer until mushrooms soften. Stir the slurry again, then pour it in slowly while simmering until thickened. Add quick greens and cook just until wilted. Turn off heat. Stir in sesame oil and scallion greens. Taste and adjust. Add more soy sauce for salt. Add a small splash of vinegar for acid. Add chili oil for heat. Add a pinch of sugar if you want to round the edges. Make it yours. Variations, protein options, and common mistakes to avoid. Once you've made it once, you can change the mood with a few small swaps. This is also where most problems get fixed. If your pot tastes flat or thin, you usually don't need to start over. You just need one smart adjustment. Popular variations: spicy Sichuan style, Cantonese style light broth, and curry twist. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.